This is another customer conversion, taking their original broken clock. This didn't even have a movement, so he had the hands but no movement. So the woodwork and brass has had a polish. We've reused the original hands. They've been reworked to fit the new movement. And these are the fake winders, which are little 3D printed black sort of cups with the brass insert to give the appearance of the original winder. I don't really like to see these converted clocks with just dead holes there. From the outside, it looks pretty much as it has for the last 60, 70 years. If you've got a clock that needs converting, you want to keep the original appearance, please get in touch. Conversion like this is going to cost him in the region of £55 to £60.